Mighty M hot water pressure washer trailers are perfect for on-site cleaning of dirt and grime anywhere and anytime. The compact and powerful single-axle cleaning trailer is equipped with a 3,500 psi hot water pressure washer, powered by a Honda engine and general pump with a backflow preventer to enhance water safety. With a 200-gallon water tank and hose reel that can hold up to 150 feet of hose, you'll have extended working time and reach when you need it. Before choosing a pressure washer trailer, determine what needs to be cleaned and where it's located. Consider if it'll be a same-day job and if there are cleaning accessories that could be used. Easily hook up this trailer with the adjustable trailer coupler hitch. Once the safety pin, chains, and connectors are in place, the trailer can be towed to the job site and parked on a flat surface. The trailer is DOT approved and does not require a CDL. Remember to always wear eye and ear protection, along with closed-toe shoes, when operating a hot water pressure washer trailer. Before starting the pressure washer, read the operator's manual. Make sure there's water in the tank. The battery cables are secured and it has sufficient fuel. Unwind the high-pressure hose from the hose reel and connect the dual lance with the preferred nozzle to the hose. Point the lance in a safe direction, squeeze the trigger, and start the pressure washer by pulling out the choke and turning the key on the front panel. Once it starts, push in the choke. This trailer can be used for cold water cleaning, or you can turn the burner on to clean with hot water. Always point the lance in a safe direction while using a continuous motion to clean. This Mighty M pressure washer trailer is ideal for removing dirt, grime, oil, and grease. It is used in a variety of industries including municipalities, agriculture, construction, oil and gas, and more. Take cleaning to the next level with accessories like a rotary surface cleaner to clean large surfaces in a fraction of the time, or a rotating nozzle with a powerful rotating spray for extra cleaning power. To shut down the pressure washer, turn the burner off. Squeeze the trigger to relieve the pressure and discharge the water for at least 3 minutes to cool the equipment. Be careful not to touch the lance until it's cool. Turn the key to the off position. Disconnect and drain the hose and lance. With its powerful features and versatile applications, this trailer is a go-to solution for on-site cleaning.